In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expose your Microsoft Copilot AI agent to Postman so you can easily test and interact with your bot. We'll go through the full process together in a simple and practical way, so by the end, you'll have your Copilot agent connected and ready to receive test requests from Postman. To begin, open your Microsoft Copilot Studio portal and choose the specific AI agent you want to expose. Make sure you select the correct agent before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one project in your workspace. Starting from the right bot helps avoid confusion later when you begin testing responses. Once you're inside that agent, look to the left side of the screen and open the settings menu. From there, click on the channels option. This is where Copilot Studio lets you configure how your agent connects to external platforms and tools. Next, from the available list of channels, select the mobile application or custom channel option. This is the area that allows you to generate the connection details needed for external testing. In other words, this is what makes it possible for Postman to communicate with your AI agent. After that, click the Generate button. This will create your authentication token and display the endpoint URL on the screen. You'll want to copy the endpoint URL carefully, since this is the address Postman will send requests to. Also, keep your token secure because it's used to authorize access to your bot. Now switch over to the Postman application on your computer and create a new HTTP request. When the request opens, change the method to post, then paste the endpoint URL you copied into the address bar. Using post is important here because you're sending a message payload to the agent, not just retrieving information. Next, open the Headers tab in Postman and add a new header. Set the header name to authorization and for the value enter bearer followed by your authentication token. Be sure there is a space between bearer and the token, since formatting matters for authentication to work correctly. Then go to the Body tab, choose Raw, and select JSON from the drop-down menu. Inside the request body, type a simple test message using the text property inside curly brackets. Keep the message short and clear for your first test, so it's easy to confirm everything is working as expected. Finally, click Send and wait for the response. If everything is configured correctly, Postman should return a successful response from your Copilot agent, confirming the connection is active and ready for testing. That's all it takes to connect your AI agent and start testing requests in Postman. Thank you for watching and happy coding.